my name is Diana and today I'm going to be reviewing the Revlon One Step Hair Dryer. So basically the whole point of this is to kind of get like a blowout at home, and it's kind of like 2-in-1, right? Like you get the brush and the blow dryer. Alright, so it obviously has cool, low, and high settings, right? So let's see. Cool, low, high. First of all, it's not that loud, so that's great. Because sometimes I want to blow dry my hair like in the morning, and like I don't want to wake up my siblings, you know. So I guess let's go ahead and get started. Oh my god, it's so soft. Oh my god, that looks so gorgeous, guys. Holy shit. Oh god. That looks amazing. That looks fucking amazing. And it's so soft. Wow. Alright, I am blown away. Because sometimes when I straighten my hair, like the ends are always like so straight, but it makes it look like it's fucking toasted, you know? But like with this, like there's a little bit of wave out there, you know what I'm saying? Alright, next side. The hot air really, since it releases from everywhere, it did kind of get my ear, like my poor ear is all red right now. But like, I'm kind of like, fuck it, dude. If it's gonna get my hair straight, you know what I'm saying? So there's always some sacrifice you gotta do. Alright, last piece, let's go. Alright, this is the finished product. Let me kind of... I like putting my hair in the middle, so let's see. What do y'all think, guys? Honestly, that looks so pretty because it has like a bounce, you know what I mean? So let me turn it around so y'all can see. What do y'all think? I can't see the back, so... So it's definitely not going to be able to do much with your baby hairs. Because obviously this is too small, right, to get in there. I just put some Paw Mitchell serum real quick. But everything looks good. There's just a little piece right here who's not, that's not like, it's kind of curling up. So I'm going to go over it and see if we're kind of able to kind of straighten it out without it being wet, you know. So let's go back in there. Alright, so I went in and kind of straightened out that piece, and it looks good now, guys. I want to say I'm so happy because my hair looks fucking awesome. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope y'all have a really happy new year. Thank you.